Hello, beautiful souls. Do you want the juiciest, most flavorful turkey for your holidays feast? Today, I'm showing you exactly how I brine my turkey step by step, using a blend of fresh fruits, herbs, and spices that infuse it with amazing flavor. Let's get started. First, I start with preparing my turkey. I take my turkey out of the packaging and inspect it carefully. Using a knife, I scrape the skin to remove any leftover feathers and trim off any excess fat around the neck. I also remove the bag of innards and give the bird a good overall inspection. Next, I wash the turkey thoroughly under running water. To help remove any extra smell, I squeeze fresh lemon over it and added some apple cider vinegar. Then I poured in some water to cover the turkey and let it sit for about a minute or two. Then I rinse it all off again, making sure the inside and outside are clean. Finally, I trim the bottom of the turkey if needed and set the turkey aside ready for brining. Next, in a pot on the stove, I heat water until it's hot. Then, I add my sliced oranges, some sliced lemon, and some sliced grapefruits. Next, I add in my barbecue seasoning. This is a combination of some salt and some dried herbs. I equally added in some dried herbs, which is a blend of my rosemary, thyme, and some basil. You can feel free to use any dried herbs or any dried seasonings of your choice. I also added seasoning salt, some chicken broth mix, some fresh thyme, and some fresh rosemary. Again, I added in a few dried bay leaves for that extra flavor. I throw in some whole black peppercorns into the mixture and added in some whole peeled garlic cloves. I gave everything a good stir, tasted to make sure everything is balanced, and I left the pot to boil. Once the salts have dissolved and everything is infused, I turn off the stove and let the brine cool completely before using it. Once the brine has cooled and the flavors are infused, I pour it into a large pot. Since the brine is a little bit warm, I added some ice cubes and some extra cold water to cool it down to safe temperature for the turkey. I want my turkey to soak in a cold, flavorful brine, never in warm water. Next, I carefully dip my turkey into the cold brine, chest and stomach fully down and making sure it's fully submerged. And yes, beautiful souls, the smell of the brine is absolutely amazing. Finally, I covered the pot and placed it in the fridge for at least 18 to 24 hours to allow the turkey to soak up all that wonderful flavors before roasting. And there you have it, beautiful souls. Your turkey is now perfectly brined and ready to roast. If you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments how it turned out. I always love to hear from you and it makes me extra happy knowing that you're actually trying my recipes out. And for more step-by-step recipes and cooking tips, please check out my other videos and please subscribe now to join the Rabia Unfolded family for more delicious recipes every week. Hit the like button if you love a perfectly seasoned turkey and share your favorite brine ingredients in the comment section below. And until next time, keep cooking, keep enjoying life, and keep being you. See you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.